Okay. I will say for way quick one. Way quick one. I will say for way a quick one. Me share video bi sesi a mani age o. Ma share video bi sesi a mani age fa way a quick one. Captain Smart. Captain Smart. Asem yi ba ye me share wo videos. Me share wo videos. It's not as if so be obeka asem no be I reply no, but as Captain Smart we I dey we no. As I me fe, as I sribi ntia ni je ni ka. Enti mpese me beka kitu evi. Captain Smart. Wakasa bebre. Asemi ba wakasa bebre. But misro, me pacho, misro. I know say I go na wudio say then you, but misro. I am not part of any group of ladies. Group of ladies behind this idea say you basic dying. Ama OBS in there. Go, don't come in my video. Okay. Go this way. No, go. Obia nye. Okay, you go. Go to it. Obia, group of ladies bia nye she, please, I beg you. Captain Smart, Mister. Me pacho. Oye video kan, o se me yakra on responding. Ye pan. Yes won se me yakra on responding. But Mister. Me fa Ghana for adwin ni agro. Video chrono, me tie we you know ho. Se ka wo ya ma me bofu. Seriously. Video chrono wo say kene Japan wo no. Me say ma de obia. Obi o wi ase bia o video bia no. Ma de no. On famra bontin. Pa boben e we isle gon. Pa boben e na me kokon ye. Ana wo twa ntro. Captain Smart, wo dem misrel say kan wa asem but me pacho. Me didie, I beg you. Captain Smart, Mr. Me didie, I beg you. You me free. Mr. Me pacho. Mr. I beg you. Mr. Mase mi amenti ke ne morning show you come need ya mo beka na. Mr. Me papa ne kwakutin. Wo ye adwuma wo Angel, I beg you. Mr. Memi enko. So de wo kan say ade na omo meka wo no. Yes. Memi enko. Onya me hwe ade na wo say me beka wo. But Mr. Captain Smart, Mr. Please. Asemi be wakasa bebe me hu ni nyina wo. Me hu videos ni nyina me hwa na masere na me de phone na to but no pay di asenka. Oh ya kofa kakra. Please. I beg you. Captain Smart. I beg you. Mr. Video no. O say honorable wa. E hu hia se mo beka se. Me se madam. Mo famra. Please. I beg you. Mr. Kene Japan o video ni nyina. Me sure say wo Captain Smart so hu video no. Mo famra. Why? Mo fampio na mabre. Video no mo famra. Eti ma asemi ama me question say come on need your mo beka na. And come on need your mo beka. Ma show videos be me reply with that but they me who say see no dear. Please. Me yakra on be reply me. No problem but obehwe video ya me. Mr. Opa because I say I go but ya tarnish me image kakra. Please. Agro ena papa nom please. This is a relationship I have and I have a child out of it. Enti who di agro bia men di emanem broso. Please I beg you. Yes sir. Unim. Na me kan sing with the bia say. Yebu. Ya respect mo pound. Enti se mo de mo no betoto ya se musa na. Ase mo ya ma ya brenya me. Munyai sa. Yegumo. Captain Smart me who da, but I respect you. But become asemi, no man no ko perise si ana me cassette ya wa. Oh, enti ni ma bi wo ha, eya munyan kra ne ani ya agro. Stop it. Aden na asem we kra sebe peni fo ndi mo ho ba jim. Media wo kamia, me ntwa so o, meka bi a kyerɛw. Wo kamia, meka bi a kyerɛw. The worst you can do is to kill me. So no, ontimi nkome. Ajinyame. Ukamia, meka bi a kyerɛ wo, me nkama no ntumo. Also no pay am a live video come with my worship. But me the phone to us am home video. On some side the camera listen me. Please. Doctor Kokotin, when I finish I'll call you. Please, Captain Smart. Please. Mr. Papa Corner wunim no. Immediate free. First, now we dear girl. It's me who videos ni na me fan agro. But anopedia, what is the meaning of Papa no? What is that? Which group of girls? What madam for be that? Which group of girls they decided so on beside Pabo Bain, Unimunsema, me Tracey Boakye, Unimasem Bia, I dare you to bring it out. Captain Smart, Masema Unimbiano, I dare you now to bring it out. Captain Smart, Tracey Boakye, Masema Unimbiano, I dare you now to bring it out. And first you. I don't know more that Ghana for sir. I don't know more that Ghana for adwin. Ada we video so wo twen wunya 1k a. Nti say Tracey Boakye so obo media na obi apese obehwe de woka. But mpese me check Ghana for say nobody has anything. Nti please. Ye bumu amuma ye mumu. I respect you. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. If you come again, I will come again. I beg you. Videos na mo wono ye den wo mo phone so. Mo na ye nimu no mo nya video mo de to ho. Mo mpanimfo ya ye nimu mo benya video de ato ho, especially election year. Ai na mo de Ghana for adwen di ago. Mo na ye nimu no mo benya video e de ato ho. Mo twen de bring the video out. Eye me na ye me body. Some mo wo me naked video. Mo wo me ni obi naked video. What are you waiting for? Me se mo ni hui. Madam obia. Bring the video out. Mo famra ni enje yani. Mo famra me gu mani mas. Na me de me say mo famra. What are you waiting for? Captain Smart, Fabra na hunto. Me de, mama tempt me o. So the nkran bu mpanimfo no. Mo me afa sa odo ni ntina krom ha. Mama tempt me o. What is this? Captain, na say we kwa de nka oba mu say. Asem we de nka oba mu say. Why your video be brave? Maybe me who video be Facebook or me sure na master na the phone at am say like you know minim say agro na woody. But why this morning? Why? The way you were talking no. O pesa o che say papa nom ti me ni mema be brave ne deda. Na ya na akra we papa mo pesa o dwen say fa me ho. O beta ne shi me image no akoda wo yere ho. Na makama no atuma show because me yemum. I won't do that. Enough is enough. Ma tarnish celebrities image sa mo ka mo mfi mo ma tarnish wo image sa mo wi am so mo nyakun mo wi am so mo ni suban mo wi am so mo yakohwefo video yi mama mani anya dia ka mo de behunu na me aka ma no atum se me wo me video me se ma de Ghana ni bia wo wi ase wo me video say bring it out me mbobodi o ma de obia bring it out. And yes, I'm on you, money. Why? Captain Smart, why? I said, we didn't care for home bang. But you're not me by why me be replying. Captain Smart, please. Papa, no, now can't tell me bass is Siana. What are you trying to say? Pa by Yako, me, I don't know anything about what you're talking about. Who need me video? In fact, you are lying. Muni she mo wa mo famra ho me dey respect ma mo me respect mo ni enkipi sa ade no ma mo fam oni mo me ye fam wo yanim. I respect you. Why you pushing me?